Shit. Huh?
That's a nice advice, though.
Thank you. Thank you. Huh? No. No. Yeah, I know how to ride on it. It's my baby. Man, I thought he was gonna want some smoke, y'all. He ain't want no smoke, though. He ain't want no smoke. Aw, shit. Oh, it's a regular ass, man. People in their goddamn cop looking ass trucks and cars. So I'm gonna meet up with a group of friends, and I guess there's gonna be a ride out. I'm not really too sure. Yo, one thing that y'all need to keep in mind when riding in the colder weather is to make sure that you have the appropriate tire pressure. If not, like, that shit could either, I don't know, ain't nothing really gonna come out good from it. Now, if you're like one of the drag races and shit, then of course you dudes like and dudettes, guys and girls, whatever's the proper or best termage, of course y'all like y'all's a bit lower just for the stick, and that's totally okay, and it's rider preference, but you don't want it too low because it'll start rubbing on the road and it'll mess up your rim. I think I said that right. You ever say something and then lose track of like what the hell you just said? That was me just now. Damn, everybody probably left waiting on my ass. I'm unfortunately the person who shows up late to the show, fashionably late, which is probably why I always get left. So I can't even be mad if these guys left. They've been waiting probably like 30-40 minutes, maybe an hour. I'm not too sure. I guess everybody left? Okay. They coming back? Huh? They coming back?
Oh, no, we about to go right over there, too. They just left like 2 minutes ago.
Okay. Oh, well, what do you know? They are here. Look, fashionably late, okay? Fashionably late.
30 minutes. 30 minutes.
He left me, y'all. He left me, y'all. Why nobody invite me to the party? I ride too slow? Like, what's up?
We were waiting on you.
You left me? You let them leave me? I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it.
We were waiting for you.
Look at my boy.
Hey.
Gang gang. Yo, I need to go in Bath and Body Works and put some lotion on. Ooh, somebody's car just got impounded. Yo, we got Drake out here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey. Yo,